Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. In this video, we want to take a look at the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenarios for Bitcoin on the smaller time frame chart, because bigger picture, nothing changed even on a smaller time frame. We don't really have too many changes. Actually, there's no change at all, but the price pushed a little bit higher today and actually pushed to the target and reached the target level at 99,750. If you watched the previous videos, then you know that I highlighted that 100% extension target at 99,750 as the next key target to watch in wave C of B to the upside in the white count. We have to talk about that microstructure there. We have to talk about the rally from the swing low here that formed on the 23rd of December. Now, I'd say let's start with the short-term bullish scenario. Yeah, in this scenario, we are moving up currently in a B wave. So that's short-term bullish because it can still go higher, and we're still holding above key Fibonacci support for this white scenario, which is located between $96,414 and $97,994. This is a Fibonacci area which I highlighted in previous updates. It's very important because this upside impulse that started to develop on the 23rd of December is technically valid as long as the market holds above that 50% Fib level, and one more high could still happen. But I'm already happy because the price reached my blue target area. The 100% extension target is reached. The structure does look a little bit strange on the micro level, however, and it is possible that all of this is still part of a still unfolding wave 4, which is why I highlighted earlier today on Discord that I leave the micro support area unchanged. Why? Because I cannot rule out that this fourth wave is still unfolding. Therefore, the support for that fourth wave is still relevant, because it could be that, yeah, I mean, an internal third wave formed the top here on the 24th, A wave down, B wave up, again an overshooting B wave, we come down in wave C and then go up, right? That's possible. It is also possible that wave 4 finished as a triangle here, and that was one of the swing lows today. And then the triangle was an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave, and we're going up. But so far, the move up has only been in 3 waves. So we have to be a bit patient here. But for me, as long as we're holding above support, I'd like it to go a bit higher. It doesn't yet look really like a 5th wave up that already formed. So either this 5th wave is unfolding and it's just extending, or the 4th wave is still unfolding. Those are the 2 options above 96,414. And I'd like to see one more high in the white count. At least it would be ideal. Even though we already reached my targets, I'm already happy with it. But one more high, I think, would be ideal, basically because of that strange structure here that developed from one of the intraday lows. Now, that would be short-term bullish. Let's talk about short-term bearish. I mean, what would happen if we move below 96,414? Well, the thing is, with that push higher that happened today above the 21st of December high, yeah, I can't see this anymore as a triangle. Before I said, okay, one of the bearish options would be a short-term bearish, would be that this B wave here is actually unfolding as a triangle. That's not really valid anymore, yeah, which makes the chart somewhat simpler. Now, if we break below upper support, I will probably first check if white wave B topped. How do we do that? Well, some kind of a top is likely in place, right? But if the pullback after that is, yeah, we break support, but the pullback is corrective, which means it's like an overlapping 3-wave structure, then it could still be an internal B wave with one more high to come. Why? Because, yes, we were watching here for an ABC structure, but is it all of wave B, or is it just a larger A wave, which will then be corrected again and we get another rally before we then come down? So that would be short-term bearish, but overall still bullish. Obviously, if the move down is impulsive, then we've already topped in the white B wave. I hope that's clear. So we just have to be very, oh no, let's say like that. The structure of the next pullback will really be key. It will be very important and will probably tell us how Bitcoin is going to develop over the coming weeks. Either in a larger B wave as per the yellow scenario, or we already topped in the white B wave, and then it will take us probably first into the mid to high 80K region to complete the larger correction. Okay, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.